You leader of opposition. Honorable members, you remember on Friday I already made a commitment, and it is the honorable member for Mulaje Cholo Tava. I did communicate on reasons why I cannot recognize, whilst acknowledging that the process that was conducted was right, but my hands are tied because of the court injunction. So I'll still recognize Honorable Nankhumwa as the leader of opposition, and he's the one who attended the business meeting. Thank you.
Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker.
Honorable member for Cholo Tava, please resume your seat. I have not recognized you. Cholo Tava, I have not recognized you. Please resume your seat. Please resume your seat, Cholo Tava. Yes,
Madam Speaker.
Honorable members, I have not recognized any of you members.
Point of order.
Honorable members, I have not recognized you. Can I have order on my left?
Point of order. Point of order.
Honorable members on my left, can I have order, please? And honorable member for Mulanje, I have not recognized any of you. Please, can you resume your seats? Can you please resume your seats, honorable members? Can you resume your seats? Honorable members, can you resume your seats on my left? Honorable members, can you, Honorable Chief, Honorable Whip from, can I have order, honorable members, please? Can I have, honorable members, I have not recognized any of you. Can you please resume your seats, please? Can you please resume your seats, honorable members? Honorable Whip from the opposition, I have said I have not recognized you. Next, I'm going to issue 105. Can I have order, please? I'm going to issue 105.
With this hope, Madam Speaker, we know that as a country now we are in the right hands of of our president, and is going to take us to the promised land.
Honorable member for Blantyre City Southeast, yes.
Madam Speaker, is it in order that honorable member for Lilongwe Southeast should stand here and be celebrating government for putting 90 solar lights on a street when this country, Madam Speaker, has just lost 35 billion through SATA? Is it in order for someone to be celebrating 90 solar lights as a government? I want, Madam Speaker, to clarify this. 90 solar lights.
Honorable members, I now call upon the leader of opposition to respond to the SONO.
Point of order. Point of order. Point of order.
Point of order.
Point of order, madam.
Honorable members, we already discussed this. We can't go back to the same. I did say already, honorable members, that immediately after we will recognize a DPP leader to also give a statement.
He should speak from there.
Thank you.
He should speak from there.
He cannot use.
No, he should speak from there.
He cannot use that side.
We cannot.
No.
No, we cannot. No, we cannot.
Member for Mangochi.
No,
is it Mangochi?
He should speak from there.
Honorable member for Mangochi. He cannot use. He said he's from opposition. He can't use this side.
No.
Yes, Cholo Tava.
No.
Cholo Tava, what is gone out of order? Cholo Tava, what has gone out of order?
Madam,
honorable members on my right.
Madam Speaker,
honorable members on my right.
DPP as the main opposition party must be the first to respond. Madam Speaker, we should not allow that. DPP is the main opposition party. DPP is the main opposition party.
Members on my right.
DPP is the main opposition party and must be the first.
Yes. Honorable members on my right. I already did discuss this matter. And can we please, no. Cholo Tava, I've recognized you. Can we please sit down? Cholo Tava, I've given you time to speak and you don't want to. I thought you had asked for a point of order, Cholo Tava. I've given you that space and you don't want to use it.
Madam Speaker, let's follow our standing orders. Our standing orders are very clear that the only party that has majority in the House should be the first to respond.
Honorable members, can I have order, please?
I'm ready with my sonor response. I'm ready. DPP must be the first. DPP must be the first. I'm ready with my sonor response. I'm ready.
Honorable members on my left, can you please resume your seat? Honorable Cholo Tava. No. Honorable member for Cholo Tava wanted to have a point of order.
DPP must be the first.
Yes, I said, honorable member for.
I have the.
Yes, honorable leader, you're rising. Honorable members on my right. Honorable members on my right. Blantyre City South, Mwanza, Mangochi Mankibe, Cholo Tava 105. Honorable members 105. Blantyre City South 105. Mwanza Neno 105. Cholo Tava 105. Zomba Malosa 105.
Honorable members, can you please respect the speaker by sitting down? Can you sit down and respect the speaker?
Honorable members from my left. Honorable members from my left, I hope you have read the standing orders all the way in terms of what punishment we can do when you stand. I hope you've read all of them. I hope you have read all of them. Yes, I hope you've read all of them. Honorable members, I now adjourn the House to tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. House adjourned.
abwalo angamvere kuti pali nkhani pakati pa DPP ndiwo. Komanso mutati muone zimene tapereka ku court Nankhumwa ndi masapota zawo awacha zinkhani zawo zachipani kukwiya kuti achosa mchipani. Komanso anagomereza kuti za DPP tathana nazo chifukwa zakhale pa baro wa 2025 umene utapereka mavideo onse aja amene amaoneka pa social media tapereka ku court. Nanga munthu woti ananena kuti za DPP wathana nazo chimene akukakamiranso kubwera panopo zimene unena kuti akukakamira chifukwa cha utindo wa kulita opposition. Panopo ndipena akuzindikira kuti kulita opposition uja ngati court siyapasa chileso ndikuti umene uja wapita.